Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, we're just hopping straight into it. Right now you see me styling my wig. I decided to go with some really pretty loose wand curls for this look. So I'm just taking like medium sections, wrapping it around the curling wand and letting it sit for about 20 seconds, and it gives me like this really pretty loose wavy look to the hair. So this hair was sent to me by Supernova Hair. Shout out to them. They sent me some of their Brazilian straight bundles. I have in 3 bundles of 20-inch, and then I have a 18-inch 6x6 lace closure. So now we're moving on to the install process, and I'm just showing you guys what the inside of my wig looks like and also these luscious curls. So I'm going to clean my hairline with some rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt and oil, and it's also going to help my wig stick on a lot better. Now, one thing I did love about these 6x6 closures is how easy they are to apply. I would say this whole install took me about 10, maybe 15 minutes to do, minus the baby hairs. But if you guys can see, the wig is already laying like super flat, and I haven't even put any type of glue or adhesive on it. So you can probably wear this wig glueless, just add like an elastic band and you'll be good to go. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to apply my wig using my Got To Be Glued and my freeze spray. So one thing that I've been doing to get my wigs to be super laid is using an elastic band to tie down my lace instead of a scarf. And I don't know what it is about the elastic band, I guess because of how tight it is and the tension, but it literally melts the lace into your skin like no other. So y'all should definitely try that out the next time you go to apply your wigs. But moving on to my favorite part, which is the baby hairs, I went for a more natural looking baby hairs. I didn't want them to be too thick, or I just wanted a really soft look with the baby hairs, so I'm just using some foaming mousse to style them. So my hair is pretty much finished at this point. I'm just going in with some finishing touches. I'm using my curling wand to create this lump effect in the front of my hairline. I don't really know what to call it, but I just take my curling wand and just push my hairline back, but pull my hair over it. I don't really know how to describe it or if that's making sense, but it just adds like some really nice volume in the front of my hairline. That's pretty much it for this install. It was so super easy. It took me literally like no time to do. That's why I love these 6x6 closures, and you guys are probably going to see a lot more of them on my channel. So thank you to Supernova Hair for sending me this wonderful hair. Everything about their company will be linked down in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.